Hi there, I'm gonna show you how to set up multicam software onto your computer so you can watch multiple locations at the same time. So first you have to install the CD. Once you get that, it's gonna automatically create a desktop icon. You're gonna go ahead and double click on this icon and wait for the thing to load up. Let me back it up a little bit so you guys can see the view. It takes about 10 seconds. Okay, this will come up default. If you're using it for the first time, go ahead and hit edit, and you're gonna have to type in your IP address, whatever was given it to you. I'm just using my internal IP because that's the IP I'm using internally. Don't change any port information at all. I'm just changing that because I'm using a different port for a different purpose. So go ahead and enter your username and password and hit OK, and you will be connecting to your cameras. Okay, so this is going to be the view of the cameras. I'm connecting to my office. So what we have to do is you locate this plus icon on the bottom. When you're going to say, it's going to say edit host, you're going to click on that. You're going to get this view right here. So all you have to do is, first of all, you just have to do this only one time. So what you're gonna do is, this first time you're setting this up, first of all, you're gonna click on new and you're gonna set up a group. It's much easier to work with that. Now if you look at on top, it says group right here. So I'm just gonna say, like, let's say I name the group like Loc or anything. You can just say my stations. Okay, my stations, and that's it. It's all done. Now under this, you go back again, because remember we have 4 locations, so we need to go and set up. Now we're gonna set up host. So when you set up host right there, it's gonna say new host right there. Just double click. Well, just highlight that, and you're gonna go to new host, and let's just type in, like, let's say we're doing shell. Let's type in shell. Okay, and then here you will be entering the IP address that I gave it to you guys for the shell, which is 24 blah blah blah. You put your username and password. Don't change any ports. Go ahead, hit save. When you're done with this, go ahead and hit new again. Sorry about that. Hit new again, new host. Okay, you'll do the same thing. You see host 2, and then you just change the name right here to mobile or anything you want, and same thing on the top. Once you're all done with all this, all of your 4 hosts are done, make sure you name them correctly, then you will come to the right side of your screen, and you see right there it says my stations, and it says host 1. Because I didn't name them, I'm doing as a testing. It will show up right here. So all you have to do, it will show you all the cameras that belong there to that location. You can select on any camera. If you double click on the host, it will automatically connect that. See, when I clicked on the host, it tried, but since I didn't put any IP address, so it's not going to connect to anything. But you can, like, watch how cool this thing is on the bottom. You can go down to, let's say, 9 selections, 9, 16, whatever. You can go on the right hand side, and all you have to do is, let me see what's wrong with this. Okay, so all you have to do is go down here and select any camera. Like, let's say you can select it here, this box, and you can put like another site camera in here. You can put another station camera in here. So this is it. You can be all set up, and all you have to do, you can switch between locations with a click. Let's say you want to go here, just double click that, and it's gonna go and connect to that. See, if I want to connect on the top to any cameras that I want, then I can connect to that. See, I can go set up any cameras I want, and it will show up just like that. So that's pretty simple. Once you're done, just go on the left hand side on the bottom, and you go here and say close. It's gonna ask you want to close, and enter. Sometime Windows Vista do have a problem with this software, but do Control Alt Delete. Try to see if this thing is not if it's running in the background. If it's running, stop it, restart your computer, redo it again. I think you should be fine. Vista, if you have the latest patch for Vista, you should be okay. But this is the one I'm showing you right now is Windows 7, so should be no problem at all. But if there's any issues, just go ahead and email me and I'll take care of that.